So how did a small community come together in a crisis and rescue two missing girls in a matter of days? Kelisha Williams has that angle.
Saturday, October 16, 9-year-old Felicia Prussia is found 2 days after she was abducted from her home in Bath, St. Thomas. A successful search and rescue led by the security forces, but dominated by residents. But as quickly as Felicia was reunited with her family, meters away, in the same community, another child, Winchell Barrett, was taken. That meant the same people who were out scouring the woodlands for hours geared up for another mission.
I be hunting and searching the place. We don't get no sleep because we can't sleep. Because we man and father and every woman and mother, so we have out there, you know. Even if we go yard, we can't sleep. So we have been moved.
Like Felicia, Winchell was found 2 days later. But how did a small community come together in crisis and find two missing children? This woman, who wished to remain unidentified, was a part of the rescue team.
From Thursday night, we out from Thursday night, Bath St. Thomas no sleep. We no sleep, miss. We come off of the road Friday morning, 4 o'clock, and by 5 o'clock we out again.
So what was the strategy?
People sleep over and it come like it's a shift something. Come like it's a shift. When you come out and feel like so you're the first set out, and you're probably the last set to go out in 5 o'clock because man out there from 2:30, 3 o'clock.
We used to go through and look at truck and things, and we can't even make too much noise in the bush. You know what I'm saying? Just have to go through and it move like a wild boar, same way, see me? A wildlife thing.
That meant going hours without food, water and shelter, driven by one mission.
We are sleep a bush, and a bamboo tree, man, watch him back. We are all asleep, a man just sleep, a man watch him back. So things that. See right now, chocolate me have you eat.
A water we drink, river water, when we can get too jelly and too plump on the farm, then we pass by. And them that we survive from Thursday till Monday evening now.
To them, Bath is not just a community known for its rich heritage. It's a place where everyone is family, whether or not it's by blood.
We have to protect our own. We can't wait for nobody to protect our own. This is our home. Someone we don't know nowhere else to live but Bath. I Bath, me born and grow, I never live nowhere else yet. So you see, in order to protect your community, you have to come out for your community when time alarm like this make. We now wait 24 hours. As it sound, as the bell ring, at that time we move.
I must tell you that it is a thrill to see the level of camaraderie and the level of selflessness in the way in which the community members have rallied and all other stakeholders have really rallied. This is the staple that St. Thomas needs.
It is hot and the forest is pretty dense, as you can see behind me. It's the same area where Winchell was abducted. Now the suspect has left no trace, and he continues to elude the police and the residents. Now a manhunt has been launched to find him. Reporting from Bath in St. Thomas, I'm Kelisha Williams for TVJ News.